Welcome to Webstyle Plus. Before using O3 for free, let's see what is O3 and why O3. So before O3, there was O1 that is still going strong. Then there had to be O2, but to avoid conflict with a mobile carrier brand named O2. O3 was launched by OpenAI. O3 was response to DeepSeek R1 AI. It has thinking and reasoning capabilities first introduced by DeepSeek R1. So reinforcement learning was used to teach O3 to think before generating answers. It enables O3 to plan ahead and reason through tasks, performing a series of intermediate reasoning steps to assist in solving the problem. OpenAI O3 shows better performance than O1 on complex tasks including coding, mathematics, and science. According to this post, ChatGPT Plus team and pro users can access OpenAI O3 Mini starting today, with enterprise access coming in February. This was from January 31, 2025. They also said, starting today, free plan users can also try OpenAI O3 Mini by selecting Reason in Message Composer or by regenerating a response. This is that Reason button in free version of ChatGPT. If we select this, ChatGPT will use O3 model to answer questions. Let's see. Write a JavaScript program to implement a brick breaker game. Use HTML, CSS, and JS. Notice how it's thinking through how to respond step by step. So let's copy this, paste this in HTML. And here is the output. Pretty solid. I'm using arrow keys to play this game. Okay. Use HTML, CSS, JS to create a snake game where I have to continuously use arrow keys to move the snake, otherwise snake will stop. Okay, so let's try this. And here is the snake game. Okay. Use HTML, CSS, and JS to create a tic-tac-toe game where user plays against computer. And here is its reasoning process. It took 9 seconds in responding. So let's copy this. Let's paste it here. And let's play this. I won. Restart game. I won again. This is pretty fun. I won again. Amazing. Okay, so pretty impressive. This is OpenAI O3 Mini in action integrated into free version of ChatGPT. This is one way of using OpenAI O3 for free. Second way is to go to Hugging Face Spaces and search for O3. Go to huggingface.co and then go to Spaces. From here, search O3. And here it is, O3 Mini, chat with a conversational AI assistant. OpenAI O3 Preview Mini, ChatGPT O3 Mini. OpenAI ChatGPT O3. And here is it is thinking. So you'll have to try from these. Few of these will be using O3 for free. Then you can also search AnyChat. And here it is, AnyChat by A Khalik. And from here, select provider, OpenAI, and select OpenAI model. Here O3 Mini is selected. Type the message and send. And here is the response from O3 Mini. So this is how you can use OpenAI O3 for free. Official way of using O3 is to use this reason button, even in free ChatGPT interface. In case I'll find more free O3 resources, I will update video description. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.